Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the Android 14 Easter egg plus the bonus game. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, then scroll right down to the bottom and select About Phone. Once you're on here, go to Software Information and you should see Android version. So you just want to tap on that multiple times. Then it'll bring this little logo up and the little Easter egg. So to access the bonus game, all you have to do is hold your finger on this little logo and you'll see it start to vibrate. Then this will bring up this fun little game where you've got this little rocket which you can fire off into multiple directions, and it'll tell you your position and velocity at the bottom. You can also search for planets and also the sun as well, and there may be other things you can find on here, but it may take some time to find them. So that's how you can access the Android Easter egg 14 plus the bonus game. Thanks for watching.